Hello, I just want to show you something here that I've been using for many years now, and I found extremely helpful. It's extremely fine volcanic cinders, and I use a ceramic bowl here. These are handmade bowls that can go under extreme temperatures. I bought them a long time ago at yard sale, so make sure you use a really good high temperature bowl. And anyway, this is the material here. As you can see, I got maybe a cup and a half in here, and it can shape it around and move it around, which is really nice. And then whatever you lose ends up at the bottom. As you can see, there's a couple pieces of solder, things like that, and you can wash this. This material here I've been using now for just over a year, so it's I've even gone longer than that and reused other material. But anyway, here's what I really enjoy using it for was bezels and rings and things like that. It holds it really well and the temperature really well. So here's a ring that I'm going to solder joints together here, and as you can see how I just basically move the material around to it. Add a little flux. I enjoy liquid flux in this material, so it's good. And then I'll move it over here so you can kind of see it, and start up my torch here. I work at high temperature, and this is a hard solder. As you can see, it takes a nice thing and doesn't burn up. And there it is. It turned white on me a little bit there, which is normal for that material, but it'll go back to its blackness, and use a little there, shake it off, take off. And since I want to make this anneal, I'll make it soft and put it to the side there. But as you can see, it's still good, and it works really well for me. It holds things really well. You can put things into it, solder. You can build things, build a little bridge here, side, and everything. Works really well, and I enjoy it. And I just wanted to show you that. It's something I use. Again, it's fine lava cinders that I obtained from a volcanic field up in the north, and I carry around bags of it. So if you have any questions, let me know. Have a good day.